are closing our vegan cafe. Yep, this is our final week. There's only a few days left. And in fact, by the time you see this, our cafe will be closed. It's kind of crazy. It's kind of crazy. We ran it for 8 years. If you don't know, my mom and I, we co-own this cafe. It's called SaVeg Cafe in Calgary, Canada. And we ran it for 8 years. 8 years, you guys. And it's time. It's time. It's kind of surreal. It's kind of wild. And we couldn't just close and not, we couldn't just close, So we did make a recipes cookbook and ebook, so you can have all the secret recipes of our cafe. So that is actually ready to purchase. It's already ready to go. I'll leave a link to purchase the cookbook. You can either buy a physical copy, an ebook, which is a digital copy, or you can buy a bundle of both for just $5 more than the physical copies. So yeah, you can have a little piece of SaVeg Cafe at home. You can make our delicious recipes at home. I know a lot of you guys haven't been able to visit our cafe because you probably live far away, and this is your chance to try some of the food at home. So yeah, hopefully you'll like it. I gotta head to the cafe now because it has been crazy busy this week and I am on the verge of a breakdown. I'm super exhausted, but we're gonna make it through. We just have a few more days of probably craziness, but let's go. Oh yeah, so today I'm gonna be eating at my cafe basically all day because I gotta eat the food. Okay, I'm gonna miss it. Like, I can still make it at home, but it's not gonna be as easy as just like going to the cafe and eating the food because we already have a bunch of stuff prepped anyways. But yeah, so I'm gonna be eating at the cafe all day and working as well. Woo, let's go. So for breakfast, I'm having the breakfast burrito, which is basically our scrambled tofu with mushrooms and tomato, and it's served with salsa, and I like to have it with a little bit of hot sauce, of course. And of course, I also have black Americano, my usual. It's simple, yet delicious. It's gonna be a busy day, so I need to fuel up. I need all of the plant-based fuel today.
the pancakes?
Yeah, for sure. We're going with the side of pancakes, and that's everything. There you go.
Have you guys been really busy?
Yeah. Right now is actually a good time because it usually gets busy by like noonish.
Yeah, that makes sense.
Thank you so much. It's the next day. Change of plans. I was gonna film like a what I ate in a day, just do one day, but then it got so busy at the cafe. And then you saw me eat my lunch, but it was like a very rushed situation. So change of plans. I'm just gonna film like little bits and pieces of the last few days. Today is the third last day. Oh, and I also didn't eat at the cafe for dinner because I actually ended up going out for dinner with my family. So that was just another like change of plans. Today's Friday. This is the third last day of our cafe. I feel like it's gonna be really busy. I'm a little terrified, I'm not gonna lie. Okay. And I'm just gonna get there a little bit earlier because there's a lot of prep and just a lot. But I'm getting ready because some people want to take pictures. And I can't show up looking like I got hit by a bus, you know? I look somewhat presentable. Okay. Oh my god. It is nice to see there's a lot of customers that like I haven't seen in a while that have come in, and there's people that's been coming in for like since the beginning, which is like crazy to think about. It's kind of insane. Well, I survived the third last day of the cafe. I'm having dinner. I'm having vegan bulgogi from our cafe. This was a mistake from like 2 days ago. and I'm eating it today because, yes, that is the reality. When you own a restaurant, you end up eating a lot of leftovers, a lot of mistakes, and that's okay. And I really don't mind because I really love vegan bulgogi. So that's my dinner. Vegan bulgogi, it's basically like a rice bowl with soy meat, and it's marinated in Korean barbecue sauce, aka bulgogi sauce, which we make in-house. And then it's like a stir fry. It's so good. It's high in protein, it's delicious. And the bulgogi sauce is, did I mention it's made in-house? Sorry, my brain not functioning. Not functioning. The bulgogi sauce is made in-house, and the recipe for it, yes, is in the cookbook as well. It's so good. I literally eat this all the time. Oh. 2 more days left. 2 more days. Oh my god, it's crazy. That was, I believe, the busiest day we've ever had in the history of our cafe. And that's not even the last day. We still have 1 more day of business left. Tomorrow is our last day. I did not have time today to eat lunch once again. So I'm having a vanilla protein milkshake, another mistaken order. That is my lunch. I also had like a little bit of banana bread, just like little bits of stuff as I was working. And this is the milkshake for my lunch. My friends, we have had to turn off deliveries because it got way too busy. Anyway, I need to rest. Last day at the office. It's official. We are closed. Oh my god. By the way, I'm like in the cafe alone. We actually closed a few hours ago. It hasn't really hit me yet. I think it's because we still have like tons to do, even though technically our doors are closed, but we have so much to do in terms of like getting rid of stuff and just like a bunch of work. So I think it hasn't like fully hit me, but it is very strange to think about. And I'm back at the cafe. We actually closed a few hours ago, but I had to come back because I'm selling like some pieces of furniture and stuff. I'm selling some appliances and I'm just like meeting someone here. I have to come back here tomorrow to like help clean and get rid of more stuff. But it's weird. It feels really weird. I don't even know what it feels like. It feels like I need to do something. Like, what do I do? It kind of feels like, what do I do? Like, what do you mean I am not prepping food tomorrow? What do you mean? It feels really weird. But so many amazing people came in the last few weeks. People have been so nice. It has been very touching. It has been wonderful. It's been a good run. It's been a good run. But one thing that I just did that like made me slightly emosh was I went on Google And I put permanently closed. Oh my God. What do you mean we're permanently closed? It feels so weird. Oh. Yeah, anyway, I think it's gonna hit me way more once all the stuff is gone. Once all of our stuff is gone, we clear everything. Also, once we like hand over the keys and everything. So that was the final week of our cafe, and then we spent another week cleaning up everything, getting rid of stuff, and of course emptying out the space. I really hope you guys enjoyed this vlog. Once again, if you want to make some of our cafe food at home, check out our cookbook and ebook, which are linked below. And thank you so much to everyone that has supported our cafe over the years. On to the next.